Once again, it's all folks, welcome back. It is time to do another video. I have a few boxes and packages that I need to open and some most likely stickers. Let's start off with Dominique Minichetti. He sent me a package and a sticker. Check it out. Smoking, oh yeah, nice. Fired up. And now for my package, folks. Again, thank you, Dominique. Alright, it looks like this is a fire kit. Let's look into it. Florida Maya dust. Plenty of supply. These are the cotton rounds dipped in wax from this is some chaga. Little solar kit. Char cloth. And some more chaga. So this is my solar kit, solar ignition. I'll give it a try on a different video. Thank you, Dominique. There it is, folks. This fat wood smells amazing. Man, this wax canvas sure feels sturdy. Alright, thank you, Dominique, for this excellent solar ignition kit. I'll leave a link to for Dominique Minichetti. Also, a sticker from Eat Carbs Outdoors, Mark. Thank you, Mark. I'll leave a link to it so you can check out Mark Eat Carbs Outdoors. Alright, folks, and now for this one that I've been waiting to open for a while. This is from Fab Creations Bruce. This has been sitting in my house for at least 2 weeks minimum. It is not cracked yet, so that's great, man. Oh yeah. Let me get to my note. Oh yeah. I got one of his awesome stickers, man. One of the best stickers out there. Fire. Here in the USA sticker. Cool beans. This is some oak. Beautiful oak pieces. And for the final package, this was shipped before our brother Bill Melton passed away. It was shipped from Kirk North of 51, and he wanted me to do something with it to make some money for our brother Bill Melton. Rest in peace, Bill Melton. Alright folks, so here it is. It has this utility knife in there. It looks like some, it could be fatwood. It looks like pine. A little flashlight. It works. Looks like a fire starter right here. This is birch bark with some matches in there. Check it out. Little striker in there. And some matches, birch bark roll, a candle, one of those little lighters that you add butane or, yeah, most likely lighter fluid. Strike it on the side, boom, and some tinder to get your first fire going. Alright, that's the first kit, folks. And this is a flint and steel kit. Check it out. Works very nice. Kirk North of 51. Piece of flint, a piece of foul that works very good. And let's see what's inside. Alright. You got a magnesium block with a ferro rod, a striker, some fat wood, and some char cloth. Alright folks, so here's the deal. Kirk North of 51 sent this package before Bill passed away. Now he wanted me to raise funds to give for his, you know, whatever, all his needs after he came out of the hospital. He passed away, so now we can do it to help his family. It's up to you. I'm gonna leave it for an auction. Let me know what you want to give for this, and the highest bidder gets this whole set. Very nice leather pouches, flint and steel kit, and some fire starting material. If you want to bid for it, let me know. Let me know how much you want to pay for it. And all the funds go to Bill Melton's GoFundMe, the real Bill Melton. Alright folks, see you guys in the next video.